If-else statements, also known as conditional statements or simply conditionals, allow you to change how your program works based on specific conditions. Let me show you how that works. Before we get started, if you find this video useful or if you have any questions, I would love to hang out with you. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also find me on Discord. The links for those are in the description down below. Now then, if-else statements allow you to control the values of your data, also called your system state, based on certain circumstances that you define. For example, consider a situation where you want to print a specific statement if a Boolean variable called isParadox is true or false. You can do that like this. As you can see here, we state if isParadox equals true, then we print out the statement, this statement is true. Otherwise, we print out the statement, this statement is false. But don't think about it. There are a few things happening whenever we do this. First, we start off with the declaration of if, as you can see here. Then, within the parentheses, we state the condition that we would like to check. In this case, isParadox is true. If the condition is met, then whatever is contained between the curly brackets, seen here and here, is run. In this case, the statement, this statement is true, is printed if isParadox equals true. The same thing is happening on the else statement, with the difference that there is no condition to be checked for. This is because it is assumed that if the first condition is false, then the else condition is run. If and when you come upon a situation where you need to change your data based on multiple conditions, you can use more than one if-else statement. For example, consider a situation where you want to print a specific statement if a number variable called current number is 1, 2, or 3, and a different message if the number is none of these. You can do that like how you see on the screen here. In this case, we first check if the variable called current number is equal to 1, similar to how we checked the condition in the last example. This time, if the current number is not 1, we then check to see if the current number is 2. And if the current number is 2, then we move on to say, you got the silver medal. And then if the current number is then not 2, we then move down to see if the current number is then 3. If the current number is 3, we state you came in third. If the current number is neither 1, 2, or 3, we then move down to the else statement, which then says you didn't place, better luck next time. And that just about covers the basics of how to use if-else statements in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll talk about how to check for more complex conditions using logical operators. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe so you can be notified of future videos. If you have any questions about anything covered in this video, feel free to catch me on Twitch or Discord, or leave your question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay awesome.